What if I told you that you could earn a living and become a hero for the planet at the same time? Imagine turning every dollar you earn into a step toward saving the Earth. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money and save the planet at the same time. Hi everyone, in today's video, we're diving into how to align your financial goals with saving the environment. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or just curious about green living, this video has something for you. Stay until the end to discover how the strategy not only helps the Earth, but can also make you very profitable. Let's dive in. Also, don't forget to check out our previous video, What is the S&P 500? A beginner's guide to understanding the stock market index. It's a must-watch for anyone wanting to navigate the stock market effectively. Let's start with the basics. What is the green economy? Simply put, it's about creating businesses and jobs that prioritize sustainability, from renewable energy and electric vehicles to ecotourism and sustainable agriculture. There's a world of opportunities for people who want to be part of the solution. The best part? Governments and organizations worldwide are pouring billions into green initiatives. Tax incentives, grants, and subsidies are making it easier than ever to profit while going green. Relatable story. Take Tesla, for example. Elon Musk didn't just build electric cars. He built a multi-billion-dollar empire by focusing on sustainability. And it's not just big companies. Individuals, like small farmers switching to organic methods or eco-conscious artisans, are thriving too. The world is changing, and so is the way we think about making money. Gone are the days when businesses could thrive by exploiting resources without consequence. Today, sustainability isn't just a buzzword, it's a necessity. But here's the exciting part. Embracing sustainability doesn't mean sacrificing profits. In fact, green economy is worth over $4 trillion globally and growing every year. Green investing in green companies is one of the easiest ways to grow your wealth and make a positive impact. Think about stocks in renewable energy, green tech, or sustainable fashion. Funds like ESG, environmental, social, and governance ETFs allow you to diversify while supporting ethical companies. Starting an eco-friendly business. Dreaming of starting your own business? The green industry is ripe with opportunities. Whether it's creating biodegradable products, running a solar panel installation company, or even starting a plant-based cafe, people are willing to pay more for sustainability. Quick case study. Take Rebecca Hosking, who started a zero-waste grocery store in her local town. Within a year, her business became the go-to place for eco-conscious shoppers. Sustainable freelancers, listen up. Skills like graphic design, content creation, and marketing are in high demand in the green sector. Brands are searching for professionals who can align with their eco-friendly mission. Sites like Upwork or Fiverr make it easy to connect with sustainable companies. Let's take a closer look at how going green can lead to significant success with General Electric's Ecomagination initiative. In 2005, GE launched Ecomagination with a commitment to environmentally friendly innovation. They invested $1.5 billion into research and development to create sustainable solutions in energy, water, and transportation. Their green product line, including energy-efficient engines and renewable energy technologies, not only reduced environmental impact, but also contributed massively to the bottom line. The result? Within 5 years, Ecomagination generated $18 billion in revenue and strengthened GE's reputation as a forward-thinking, responsible company. This example proves that adopting green strategies can drive growth while making a positive environmental impact. You might think, what difference can I make? Here's the truth. Every small action creates a ripple effect. When you choose to make money sustainably, you're inspiring others to do the same, and together, these actions build a movement that can change the world. Sell second-hand or upcycled goods. Thanks to platforms like eBay, Depop, and Poshmark, the second-hand market is booming. You're reducing waste and earning money by selling pre-loved or upcycled goods. Got a creative streak? Turn old furniture into trendy pieces and sell them locally or online. Rent out eco-friendly equipment. Think beyond traditional rentals. Electric bikes, solar-powered gadgets, and even eco-friendly party supplies are in demand. And renting out these items can be a lucrative side hustle. offer green workshops. If you have a passion for sustainability, why not teach others? From workshops on composting to DIY eco-friendly products, there's a growing audience eager to learn. Charge a small fee, and you'll make money while spreading awareness. Let's be real, going green isn't always easy. There might be higher upfront costs or a learning curve, but don't let that discourage you. Remember, every great opportunity comes with challenges, and the rewards financially and environmentally are worth it. Here's how you can get started today. Research green investment opportunities. Brainstorm eco-friendly business ideas that align with your skills. Switch to sustainable products and explore resale options. Join online communities focused on green initiatives for support and inspiration. Remember, the key is to start small and build momentum. So, there you have it, a roadmap to making money while saving the planet. It's not just about creating a better future for yourself, but leaving a legacy for generations to come. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a little green inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe for more actionable insights. And before you go, make sure to watch our video on what is the S&P 500, a beginner's guide to understanding the stock market index. It's packed with tips to help you make smarter financial decisions. The link's right here, iCard.